Hey there, food fans! Welcome to another exciting episode where we dive deep into the world of food production. Today we're taking a trip to a state-of-the-art factory to see how one of our favorite salad staples, the iceberg lettuce, goes from field to fork. It's a journey filled with precision, care, and a lot of green goodness. Get ready to learn all about iceberg lettuce processing, from the moment it's harvested in the fields, to the intricate packaging process that ensures it stays fresh until it reaches your table. It's a fascinating journey that ensures crisp, clean, and delicious lettuce in your kitchen. Imagine the crunch of fresh iceberg lettuce in your salads, sandwiches, and wraps. But how does it stay so fresh and tasty? This journey begins in the field, where dedicated farmers carefully grow rows of vibrant green lettuce. They monitor the soil, water, and weather conditions to ensure the best quality produce. Once the lettuce reaches peak ripeness, it's time for the harvest. Farmers work diligently to pick the lettuce at just the right moment, ensuring maximum freshness and flavor. From there, it's a carefully orchestrated process to get that lettuce washed, chopped, and packaged for your convenience. The lettuce is thoroughly cleaned to remove any dirt and impurities. Then it's chopped to the perfect size for your salads and meals. Finally, it's packaged in a way that locks in freshness and extends its shelf life. Let's dive in and explore each step in detail. Harvesting iceberg lettuce is all about timing and precision. Farmers select heads of lettuce at their peak maturity. They look for firm, tightly packed heads with vibrant green outer leaves. The goal is to pick the lettuce when it's at its freshest and most flavorful. Using sharp knives, workers carefully cut the heads of lettuce from their stems, leaving several outer leaves intact to protect the lettuce during transport. The freshly harvested lettuce is then placed in bins or crates lined with breathable material to prevent bruising. Time is of the essence when it comes to freshness. Harvested lettuce is quickly loaded onto refrigerated trucks designed to maintain optimal temperature and humidity levels. This controlled environment helps preserve the lettuce's quality and prevents wilting. These trucks are equipped with sophisticated cooling systems that circulate cool air throughout the cargo area, ensuring the lettuce stays crisp and fresh during its journey to the processing facility. Depending on the distance, the journey can take anywhere from a few hours to a full day. Upon arrival at the processing facility, the lettuce undergoes its first round of quality control. Trained inspectors meticulously examine each head of lettuce, looking for any signs of damage, disease, or imperfection. Heads that don't meet the strict quality standards are removed from the processing line. This careful inspection ensures that only the highest quality lettuce makes it to the next stage of processing. By removing any subpar lettuce at this stage, the facility maintains the integrity of its product and protects consumers from receiving anything less than the best. Now it's time for a bath. Our journey begins with a refreshing dip. The lettuce is transferred to a pre-washing station where it's submerged in a large tank of cold, clean water. This step is crucial in ensuring that the lettuce is free from any contaminants that it might have picked up in the field. This initial wash helps remove any field debris such as dirt, insects, or sand that may have clung to the lettuce during harvesting and transport. Imagine all the tiny particles and critters that could be hiding in those leafy greens. The water in these tanks is constantly filtered and refreshed to ensure cleanliness. Advanced filtration systems work tirelessly to keep the water pristine, making sure that every leaf is treated to the highest standards of hygiene. Gentle agitation within the tank helps dislodge any stubborn particles clinging to the lettuce leaves. This gentle movement mimics the natural flow of a stream, ensuring that even the most hidden debris is washed away. This pre-wash is essential for preparing the lettuce for the more thorough cleaning process to come. By the time the lettuce leaves this stage, they are already significantly cleaner, setting the stage for the next steps in the cleaning process. This meticulous attention to detail ensures that the lettuce you enjoy is not only fresh, but also safe and clean. After the initial wash, the lettuce heads move along a conveyor belt to the coring station. This initial wash is crucial, as it removes any dirt or debris that may have clung to the leaves during harvesting. The conveyor belt ensures a steady and controlled flow of lettuce heads, maintaining a consistent pace for the subsequent processing stages. Here, automated machines remove the core from each head of lettuce, which helps separate the leaves for easier processing. These machines are equipped with advanced sensors and precision tools to ensure that the core is removed cleanly and efficiently. This step is vital as it prepares the lettuce for the next stages of chopping and packaging. The core removal process is precise, ensuring minimal waste while maximizing the usable portion of each lettuce head. By minimizing waste, the factory not only saves on costs but also contributes to more sustainable practices. The precision of these machines is a testament to the advancements in food processing technology. Once cored, the lettuce heads continue along the conveyor belt to the chopping station. The conveyor belt system is designed to handle large volumes of lettuce, ensuring that each head is processed in a timely manner. This seamless transition between stages is key to maintaining the freshness and quality of the lettuce. Here, another set of automated blades slice the lettuce into uniform pieces, ready for packaging. The blades are adjustable, allowing for different sizes and shapes of lettuce pieces based on customer requirements. This flexibility is important for meeting the diverse needs of various markets and consumers. The size and shape of the lettuce pieces can be adjusted based on customer preference. Whether it's for a crisp salad mix or a specific culinary application, the factory can tailor the cut to suit any demand. This customization ensures that the end product meets the highest standards of quality and satisfaction for consumers. A second, scrub washing and sanitizing. Cleanliness is paramount in food processing. After coring and chopping, the lettuce undergoes a second, more thorough washing and sanitizing process. This typically involves a multi-step system that includes a combination of water washes, sprays, and rinses. The lettuce may be submerged in a sanitizing solution approved for use in food processing. This solution helps eliminate any remaining bacteria or microorganisms that may be present on the lettuce. The washing and sanitizing process is carefully calibrated to ensure food safety without compromising the lettuce's texture or flavor. Spin cycle. Drying the lettuce. Nobody wants a soggy salad, so removing excess water from the lettuce is crucial. After washing and sanitizing, the lettuce pieces are transferred to a large centrifuge or spin dryer. This machine rapidly spins the lettuce, using centrifugal force to fling away any lingering water droplets. The drying process is essential for preventing premature spoilage and maintaining the lettuce's crisp texture. By removing excess moisture, the drying process inhibits the growth of bacteria or mold that could shorten the lettuce's shelf life. Bagged and ready weighing, packaging, and labeling. Now the lettuce is ready for its close-up. The dried lettuce pieces are conveyed to the packaging station, where automated machines weigh and dispense precise portions into bags or containers. The packaging materials are designed to preserve freshness and prevent contamination. Each package is then sealed airtight to maintain quality and prevent spoilage during transport. The final step in the packaging process is labeling. Each package receives a label indicating the product, weight, best by date, and any other relevant information required by regulations. Keeping it cool, cold storage and shipping, the journey's almost over. The packaged lettuce is immediately transferred to a large refrigerated storage room where it's kept at a constant cool temperature until it's ready for shipping. This controlled environment helps maintain the lettuce's freshness and quality until it reaches its final destination. Finally, the packaged lettuce is loaded onto refrigerated trucks for distribution to supermarkets, restaurants, and other food service providers. The trucks maintain a consistently cool temperature throughout the journey, ensuring the lettuce arrives at its destination fresh, crisp, and ready to enjoy.